Hello dear all aspirants, welcome back to SSB Crack Exams. I'm Lakshmi, Maths Mentor, and today I'm here with the Series 1 2021 Mathematics Paper Analysis. Hopefully all the dear aspirants who appeared for this paper, they must solve the maximum number of questions to make it through easily in maths paper this time. So basically, I'm here to give you the brief analysis of mathematics paper came in series 1 2021, wherein I'm going to give you the idea about the topics on which base the maximum number of questions have come, and also we talk about the level of questions topic wise. Alright, so please stay tuned till the end and let us begin with the session. So first of all, let me tell you about the marking system that is followed in Series 1 2021 mathematics paper, that one question carries 1 mark, wherein there is a provision for the negative marking that 0.33 marks approximately would be deducted for every incorrect answer. Alright, so total number of questions are 100 in number to carry in all 100 marks. Okay, so let us now begin with the main objective of this lecture. That the number system base, the very fundamental topic in serious mathematics, this topic base in the series 1 2021, there came 9 questions, wherein profit and loss base, there were 3 questions. Speed, distance and time, there came 3 questions, wherein time and work based only 2 questions have come. Talking about the next topic, that is simple and compound interest, there came 2 questions again. And average base, this time a single question had come. Ratio and proportion base in all 3 questions. Algebra based, the very important topic in serious mathematics, based on this algebra, there came 19 questions in all. Alright, and mensuration 2D, which is also called it as areas and perimeters of plane figures. So this topic base, there came 6 questions in series 1 2021. And mensuration 3D, which is a topic of surface areas and volumes, this topic base, there came 13 questions. Talking about the next topic, trigonometry, in series 1 2021, there came 15 questions. Based upon the geometry, there came 11 questions. And the statistic base, there were 10 questions. Logarithms and its application base, there were just 2 questions. And set theory based, finally, there was a single question. So now let's have a look into the overall topic-wise mathematics analysis, that you can see the maximum number of questions were based upon, the very first topic, the rank 1, the algebra, then the mensuration 3D, 13 questions, then trigonometry 15 questions, then geometry, right? Then the other topics like business mathematics, this speed, distance, time, profit and loss, right? The simple and compound interest. So this topic base, there were hardly a question or 2 questions. Number system base, which is fundamental topic, there were total 9 questions. Right. So now let's discuss upon what were in particular the subtopics under these topics on which base the questions were covered. So here is that analysis for you. It's a series 1 2021 overall topic wise mathematics analysis. So number system base, the questions were of moderate level, wherein the areas focused on were like divisibility rules, unit digit based concepts, types of numbers, remainder theorem based questions were part in this paper, whereas the profit and loss base, the questions were easy in level and based upon the basic formulas. Speed, distance and time base, there were the moderate level questions covered from the topic of trains and the concepts of SDT, that is speed, distance and time. Time and work base, the questions were easy level and covered the basic rules of time and work. Simple and compound interest base, there was a moderate question based on each simple and compound interest formula. And the average base, this time there was a single question, easy level based on the basic formula. Ratio and proportion base, the question comprised from the ratios topic, mixture or alligation topic and proportion topic, and the level of question was moderate. Talking about the algebra, questions were moderate in level, I must say, covered the basic topics like algebraic expressions and identities, polynomials and its factorization. Mensuration 2D, which is a topic of areas and perimeters. So here they ask maximum question related to the perimeters of triangle and one or the other question on sector, right? So based on the perimeters, this time maximum number of question than the area. We came from the topic mensuration 2D and the level of question was moderate in level. Mensuration 3D based, this time most of the question were from the knowledge of recasting, like the melting one 3D figure to form other 3D figure, like kind of a question on melting of the bigger cube to make the smaller cube. So how many cubes can be formed? So such simple recasting based problems were there. So they were moderate in level in understanding and solving. So surface area and volume based, the questions were moderate in level. All right. Trigonometry based, this time, out of the 15 questions that had come based on the trigonometry, most of the questions were based on the ratios and identities only. And hardly 2 questions have come from heights and distance. And the question level was, yes, moderate only. Alright. Talking about the next topic, geometry, questions were moderate in level. And most of the questions were come from, triangles topic. In particular, similarity of triangles based, the important theorems based, areas of similar triangle based, there were the question, and questions based on the circles where it demanded you to know the important properties of circles relevant to the angles as well as the radius tangent properties. So these were the questions covered in under the section named geometry in the paper CDS 1 2021. Statistics based, this time the question fixed 10 in number had come, and most of the question were data based and the few questions on arithmetic mean and median concept, and that too the data was very simple and group data. So moderate level questions, some of the questions were easy also, I must say, for this topic statistics. Logarithms and its application based, the questions were easy, simply based on the properties of logarithms. And set theory based, there was hardly a question, easy level, which based on the concepts of sets. So this is all about the paper analysis that I have done for you, the CDS 1 2021 mathematics paper analysis. So we have covered in our courses all the detailed content of each and every topic pertaining to the requirement, the demand of the CDS mathematics paper. You can check out the CDS courses by logging on to our web page, the learn.ssbcrackexams.com, or by downloading the mobile app SSB Crack Exams from Google Play Store. And please stay tuned to SSB Crack Exams, because we all meet you back in the upcoming sessions wherein we would come up with the answer key, the detailed solutions for the questions that had come in the CDS mathematics paper in CDS 1 2021 I'm talking about. So stay tuned and Jai Hind.